Good evening, friends. In the last videos, sir, we covered very clearly up to 256 programs, sir. In today's session, I want to talk about 257. Sir, what is this title of the program? Fun Games. Fun Games. Sir, the games development company Fun Games has developed a balloon shooter games. Okay. Sir, the balloons are arranged in a linear sequence and each balloon has a number associated with it. Okay, so that means a sequence of balloons are there. Every balloon is associated with some numbers, sir. The numbers on the balloons are Fibonacci sequence. Very good, sir. The game, okay, in the game the player is going to shoot k balloons. Okay, the player's score is sum of the numbers on the balloon. I think it is easy program only. Suppose if you take balloons, in the first balloon, sir, which number will be there? One. Okay, in the first balloon, which number will be there? I think zero. Okay, sir, in the next balloon, one. In the next balloon, 0 plus 1 1. In the next balloon, 2. In the next balloon, 3 8. So 5 8, like this it will be having. So if the user is going to shoot only one balloon, then what output we have to print is 0, because in the first balloon the score is nothing but 0, sir. If the user is going to shoot three balloons, what is the score on the first balloon plus what is the score on the second balloon, what is the score on the third balloon? That total we have to print. Something like sir, do you know sum of FIB sequence, sum of Fibonacci sequence we have to calculate? Other than that, nothing. Please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? If the concept is clear, I will go with implementation, sir. Clear? Yes, sir. Let me take C language implementation. I want to implement this program by using C language. Let me take C language code, sir. 261, right? What is that? 257, sorry. Yes, sir, let me take C language code. Here, sir, integer n I am going to take. Okay, integer n I am going to take, which is nothing but or otherwise k. Okay, then to generate Fibonacci sequence, I required some special variables like a1, a2, and then a3. Okay, next we have to calculate sum also. Sir, first we are going to read how many balloons the user is going to shoot. Then the initial value of a1 is nothing but, sir, -1. Okay, -1. Okay, because we are going to start from -1 plus 1 will become 0. From that I am going to start. So second number is nothing but 1 always, sir. Now, sir, for I is equal to 1. Okay, for I is equal to 1, or we can start from 0. Anything you can take. I think better you can start from 1. I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So how many times, how many balloons you have shooted? So what is the formula of a3, sir? A3 is equal to a1 plus a2. Then, sir, your a1 is nothing but, sir, a1 will become, sir, a2, sir. Then your a2 will become a3. Like this shifting is going to be happen. Now, sir, sum is equal to previous sum plus a3 we have to add. So finally we need to print the value of sum, sir, because some of the sequence only we required, and compulsory we have to initialize sum is equal to 0. Let me check whether it is working or not. Undefined symbol I. Okay, we have to declare I also because we are running a looping statement. That's why. Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. So if you submit, it will validate all the remaining cases, sir. Yes, perfectly it is working. This is nothing but C language implementation. So same program you have to take Java implementation. Okay, Java implementation. Someone is asking doubt. Yeah, we have to start from I is equal to 0 then. So because the first number onwards. Yeah, today's first question. Yes. So first number onwards we have to start, right? Yes. So let me take Java implementation, sir. How you can implement this program in Java? Of course, the same code only. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. So integer. So first we have to take a k value from the user. Then declaration initialization. Both I am performing here. So a1 is equal to -1, a2 is equal to +1, a3 is empty. So for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. Okay, I plus plus. If you are taking from I is equal to 0, take up to less than n. Okay, that will be sufficient. So a3 is equal to a1 plus a2. Whatever result you are getting, you should add that result to sum. Then a1 will become a2 will become a1. Then a3 will become a2. Swapping operation. So finally, you have to print the value of sum, sir. This is nothing but our requirement. Let us run the code. Oh my God. So n is nothing but a k value. K value. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. So let us submit the code. Yeah, Sai Prasad, you got mail right? Please confirm. For full stack, you got mail right? Yeah, right. You can attend it today. So let me go for Python implementation. I want to implement the program in Python. Let us see how you can able to implement. So as usual, same code only. We have to read k value from the user, which is nothing but int of input. A1 is equal to -1, A2 is equal to +1, A3 is not required. Sum is equal to initially 0. Sir, for I in the range of 1 to, I want to include the value of k, means you have to take up to k plus 1. Sir, A3 is equal to A1 plus A2 I am taking. Then you have to add that A3 to sum. Next, what we have to do, A1 comma A2 is equal to, sir, A2 comma A3. Directly you can perform swapping. We know very well. Just I am printing the value of sum, sir. Okay. Full stack Python as of now not scheduled, sir. It maybe take some time. Yes, all the test cases will successfully satisfy, sir. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement the program in Python. Yes, sir, please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts in this program, sir? Please confirm. I request everyone to please respond. Okay. Yeah. Sushant, please refer the video because we have covered only one program. So that too, sum of Fibonacci sequence. It is a known program only. Sir, the next program is also very simple, sir. All these programs are seems to be big programs. Some programs are having tricky logic. Some programs are having some difficult logic. Some programs are having a small logic. Okay. So please concentrate based on these company papers. I summarized these programs from 251 to sir 320 like that. That's why. So please put more concentration on this. So try to read the problem statement minimum 1 or 2 times. So you can see this seems to be, this program is very difficult to program, but nothing will be there in this program. If you want, you can observe. Okay, sir, what is this program? First, let us analyze this program first of all. Sir, the past book. Okay, so to create a profile on social media account, the past book is nothing but an account, sir, something like Facebook. The user needs to enter a string value in the form of username. The username should consisting of only the characters tagged A to Z. Okay, the username consisting of only the characters tagged A to Z. If the user enters, okay, if the user enters an incorrect string containing the digits, the system automatically identifies the number of digits in the string, and it is going to remove that digits. So that system is going to that name should contains only characters. So other than these characters, if any digit came, so they have automated the program. What is that program? Sir, they are going to remove these numbers automatically. That is nothing but what we have. So now what we have to do, sir, we have to write an algorithm to help the system to identify the count of digits present in the username. We have to identify the count of digits present in the given username. Nothing but easy, sir. Number of digits we have to count. Beyond that, nothing. Okay. So let me go for C language implementation first. We have to read a string. In that string, how many digits are there? We have to count. Let me open the program. A1, B2, C3. 3 digits are there. String 0 digits are there. ABC 3, 4. 2 digits are there. So easy program only. So we have to read a string from the user. So character s of I am taking 100. So integer I comma, let it be count is equal to 0. So first I am reading the string from the user. I is equal to 0, s of I plus plus. If your s of I is double equal to, or if s of I is greater than or equal to, sir, 0. And if your s of I is less than or equal to 9. If it is a situation, then we have to do count plus plus. Sir, now what we have to print, sir? So printf percentage d comma, we have to print the value of count. How many digits are there? It will print. Perfectly working, and submit the code. Yes, this is nothing but what we have, sir. Okay, C language implementation. So let me go for Java implementation. Let me go for Java implementation. So how you can able to solve this problem in Java? So scanner obj is equal to, so I'm taking new scanner of system.in. So then string s is equal to obj dot next line I am taking. So integer I is equal to 0. Sir, count is equal to 0. Now, I is equal to 0 is not required. So count is equal to initially 0. For I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length. Okay, I plus plus I am taking. So if s dot char at of I is greater than or equal to 0, and s dot char at of I is less than or equal to 9, then what we have to do? Count plus plus. So system dot out dot println of I am printing the count value to the end user. So let me run the code. It's perfectly working, and submit the code. Yes, this is nothing but what we have, sir. So let me copy paste. So let us go for Python implementation. I want to implement this program in Python, sir. Let us see how you can implement. So in Python, we have a predefined function is there. We have to read the string, and the count is equal to initially 0 for each I in s. So if I dot is a digit, that means if it is a digit, count is equal to count plus 1. Finally, we have to print the value of count. Let us run the code. So successfully it is working. Let us submit the code. So you can see here all the sample test cases are working properly. Sir, this is nothing but this program, how you can able to provide implementation for this program. Please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts? Requesting everyone to please respond. Any doubts up to this, sir? Okay. Now, so let me go for next program. Sir, what is this program? Morning prayer. Morning prayer. Okay. Have a look once. Sir, student of a school are assembled in a straight line for the morning prayer. Maybe you have remembered in your school days. Okay, these things are going to be happen, right? So in the regular, so every day morning prayer will be there, right? Every day morning prayer will be there. So maybe you have faced these type of experiences, sir. Okay, anyone faced these type of experiences? Huh? Yes, maximum. Correct. Morning assembly. Yeah. So I'm remembering my childhood. Huh? Yes. uh, to uplift the spirit of the students, sir, an exercise is conducted. The initial letters of all the student names is noted down. It is nothing but a string. The task here is to substitute the initial letters with the list with consonants, such that if initial letter of the student is a vowel, retain the student in the same position. Okay, sir, we have to substitute the initial letters of the list with the consonants. Okay, so we have to replace every vowel with the consonant. Okay, so if the initial letter of the student is vowel, retain the student in the same position. That is the general task. Okay, sir, if the initial letter of the student is a consonant, swap with the next immediate consonant. If it is a consonant, no. I think for vowel we have to substitute. If the initial letter of the student is consonant, no, not initial. I think, yeah, sir. I think it is not a consonant, sir. It is a vowel. So if initial letter of the student is vowel, then swap with the next immediate consonants from the English alphabets sequence A to Z. Say the initial letter of the student starts with B, then we have to swap with C. So which is nothing but next immediate consonant. Suppose if the initial letter is Z, then you have to swap with actually A. But A is also vowel, right? That's why you have to swap with B. Remember carefully. Sir, I will take some examples. If I am not wrong, that will work. W. Okay, sir, W, is it vowel or consonant? Okay, it is a consonant. So W X we have to replace. E, is it a vowel or consonant? Vowel, keep as it is. L, it is a consonant. Sir, we have to substitute with the next word, M. Sir, C, it is a consonant. D, sir, O, it is a vowel. Keep as it is. M, it is a consonant. Take N. Sir, E, it is a vowel. Keep as it is. So if the initial string is like this, we have to get output like this. Okay. I hope in the problem statement also we have this type of scenario only. Let me analyze some outputs, sir. We will get clarity. You can see here. If input is ABC, sir, A remains as it is because it is a vowel. B remains C because it is a consonant. Sir, C remains D. It is nothing but a consonant. Prakash, P remains Q, R remains S, A as it is, K remains L, A as it is, S remains T, H remains J. This is nothing but the problem statement, sir. Please confirm, sir, is the problem statement is clear for you people, sir? If problem statement is clear, we can go for implementation. Please confirm. Yeah. Sir, just wait for 1 minute. I will be back. Yeah. So let me continue, sir. Yeah, Lokesh, correct. So let me go for C language implementation, sir. I want to implement this program first by using C language. Let us see how we can implement in C language. So sorry, 259 only, right? Yeah. Sir, maybe a difficult lengthy code we are going to get. So let me define S of 100. So first I am going to read that string from the user. Okay. So what are the required variables? Maybe I think I we have to take and compulsory, sir, character by character we need to do some sorting all these things. I mean swapping all these things. That's why ch variable I have taken. Sir, I is equal to 0. Observe carefully. S of I plus plus. I am fetching one by one character, sir. If S of I is equal to A or S of I is equal to E, sir, S of I is equal to I. S of I is equal to O. S of I is equal to U. If any one of these character matched, then what is your requirement? We have to print that vowel as it is on the screen. We should not disturb. Else, this is the big task. If any consonant came, then I'm capturing that consonant. I'm capturing that consonant. Now I'm checking whether that character is Z. If it is Z, what we have to do, sir? Assign with A. Remember carefully. Special case, if that character is Z, assign with A. So that what will happen? Sir, we are going to get initial characters, sir. Okay. Yeah. That part I am going to write later. This is nothing but whatever character that we got. Okay, fine. Next, what we have to do, sir? I am running a while loop. I am running a while loop. While one. Why? Because maybe it won't be happened because, sir, have a look once. Just for your understanding purpose, I am telling. Suppose consider I have some characters like this. So what they are telling, first extract this character, and if it is vowel, print as it is. Sir, if it is not a vowel, then what we have to do? You have to increment this next character. Is it vowel or not? Also, we have to check. That is our duty. If it is not vowel, we have to print. If it is vowel, I mean, if it is a consonant, again we have to increment, right? So such a type of scenario may be happened. That's why I am taking while loop. Without while loop, is it possible? Means, let me do one thing. CH plus plus. I am incrementing that a character. Okay, we will see how it is going to work. So let me check up to this. Suppose if the given character is ABC, if the given string. So I is equal to 0, first character. Since it is a vowel, it will print as it is. So next for loop. Next one is nothing but B. Sir, is it available in the vowel? No. CH is equal to, sir, B, sir. Is it equal to Z? No, it is not equal to Z. So CH plus plus. That means your CH will become C. So you can print that C as it is. You can print that C as it is. Suppose after this, so consider I have Z is there here. So assume Z came. When Z came, CH is equal to Z. If CH is equal to Z, what we are doing? We are assigning it to A. Okay, A. Then increment, so CH plus plus. Then increment CH plus plus. So what will happen? Make sure it is not possible for every time. Have you observed? Suppose if I am taking, sorry, AB, ED, let us consider this. Whenever this character came, oh, here itself it is going to stop. Yeah, we can try, sir. So here also we have to check, right? Here also we have to check. If again, if your CH is equal to A, sir, AE, okay, I O U. If it is happened, then what we have to do, sir? Then we have to print that character. We have to print that character. Okay, fine. Else what we have to do? A little bit confusion. Directly we can print that character. No need to check any condition. Let me check whether it is going to work or not. A, B, sir, C, D, E, F, like this I am taking. So first character A, since it is a vowel, it remains as it is. Next character is B, it is not a vowel. So what will happen? Is it equal to Z? No, CH plus plus. So it will become C. Sir, that C we have to print as it is. Okay, AC. Sir, C. Is it a vowel? No. Sir, let us take C increment D, so that D will be printed as it is. Sir, D I got, it will be incremented. We will get E. Yeah. Whenever we are getting vowel, we should print or not, we have to check. But let us run this code, sir, because I have a small doubt. Sir, Q S A L A T, up to this we got, but this one is wrong. This one is wrong. That is H. So if you increment H, what will happen? we are going to get I. Whenever we are getting I, it should not print as it is. We have to increment. Oh, that means again, if it is a vowel, we have to increment, sir. So if the same condition, if you are getting, so then again CH plus plus you have to do. Let me run now. Sorry, not S of I, it is CH. Yes, submit the code. Yes, perfectly working. Sir, hope you got the clarity. Okay. So first I am going to read character by character and I am checking whether it is a vowel or not. If vowel, directly we can print. Okay. If vowel, directly you can print. If it is a not vowel, then I am going to capture and I will verify whether it is Z or not. If Z, we have to assign to A. Otherwise, CH plus plus. Again, if you are getting vowel, then again I am incrementing and I am printing. Beyond that, nothing. So let me go for Java implementation of this program, sir. Okay, let us see Java implementation. So how you can able to solve this problem in Java? So I am taking scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of system.in. Then we have to accept a string obj is equal to next line I am taking. So next integer I we have to take. So sufficient character ch is required. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length I am taking. Okay. Sir, next I plus plus I am taking. Next, what we have to do, sir? Better to capture that character s dot sir char at of I am taking. Okay. So if that character is equal to a, okay, a e, so I o u, if any one of this character came, then you need to print as it is on the screen. You have to print as it is on the screen. So otherwise what we have to do, declare one more ch1 is equal to, you have to capture that ch. Okay, yeah, you have to capture that ch. Then if your ch1 is equal to z, then make ch1 is equal to a. Then as usual ch1 plus plus we have to take. So again we need to check, sir, if your ch1 is equal to a, so ae, iou, if it is ae iou, then what we have to do, sir, again we have to increment. Then finally you need to print the value of ch1, sir. Beyond that, nothing. Okay. So let me run the code. Is it working or not? Perfectly working, and submit the code. Yes. Sir, I want to solve this problem in Python. I want to solve this problem in Python. Let me go for Python implementation, sir. So I think here in Python, I'm getting somewhat confusion, but let me check it will work or not. So first we have to read an input from the user. Okay. Next, for each character I in yes, for each character I in yes, if the value of a is in aeiou, aeiou, that is if it is a vowel, sir, we have to print as it is and end is equal to empty. If it is not a vowel, okay, if it is not a vowel, what we have to check, you have to capture character is equal to that I, sir. If your character is equal to, if your character is equal to z, then I am going to assign character is equal to a. Then character plus plus we have to do, I think, which is not possible, right? So first I am going to find out ordinal value of ch, then I will increment 1 unit. The entire data is a number. For that I'm applying character. Whatever data I'm getting, I'm copying to ch. Yeah, I think we can do like this. Then again we have to check whether your character ch is in sir a e I o u. If it is the case, what we have to do, sir, same story or not? Character of ordinal of ch plus 1. Okay, that entire thing we have to take, and end is equal to space. Suppose if it is not the case, then directly you can print that ch. Directly you can print that ch. That's all. Again here also end is equal to empty, right? Let me run the code. Perfectly working, and submit the code. Yeah, so somewhat tricky, but problem is not that much difficult. So somewhat tricky is there. Okay, sir, please confirm, is this concept is clear for you people, friends? Please confirm. 1 minute, sir, I need to open the doors. 1 minute, please wait. Clear, right, everyone? Yeah, so let me go for the next problem, sir. What is the next problem that we have here is LBP number 260. Okay, LBP number 260. What is this problem? Something like factorial game. Okay, so factorial game, sir, observe carefully. So Mike's likes to play with numbers. Okay, so his friends are also good with numbers and often plays mathematical games. They are going to play mathematical games, sir. They made a small game where they will spell the last digit of the factorial of a number other than 0. So they are going to spell, okay, so factorial of the given number where other than I mean last digit is not 0, other than 0. Okay, let us say the given number is 5. So 5 factorial will be 120. Here 0 is the last digit, but we don't want 0. We want a number other than 0. That is the last digit is nothing but 2. Oh, beautiful. So if you take a 0 factorial, which is nothing but 1, sir, we have to print 1 on the output screen. So if you take 1 factorial, it is 1. We have to print 1 on the output screen. So 2 factorial 2. We have to print 2 on the output screen. Sir, 3 factorial is 6. So we have to print 6 on the output screen. Sir, 4 factorial 24. Sir, we have to print 4 on the output screen. 5 factorial, sir, which is nothing but 120. So if last digit is 2, we have to skip and we have to take last before digit. Sir, I think the logic is clear for you people. Please confirm, is the logic is clear, so that I will go with direct implementation, sir. Is the logic is clear for you people? Nothing is there here. So let us go for program, sir. Directly I am implementing the program. Yes, sir, have a look once. I am taking C language implementation first. So I am going to take integer n, okay, integer n, and then I. So factorial also we have to calculate scanf. So percentage d comma I am taking ampersand n, then factorial is equal to by default 1. So for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Sir, I am taking f is equal to f into I. Then what we have to do, sir, we have to check whether f percentage 10 is equal to 0. That means what? Last digit is 0 or not. If last digit is 0, what we have to take, sir? You need to take last before digit. Okay. What is the last before digit? F by 10. Whatever data you are getting, again percentage 10. Else, directly you can print the last digit. How to get last digit? I think yes, F percentage 10 is sufficient. Let me run the code. Working or not? Yes. And submit the code. So this is nothing but the code what we have. Sir, I want to go for Java implementation. I want to go for Java implementation. Let us implement this program in Java, sir. So scanner obj is equal to, I am taking, so new scanner of system dot in I am taking, integer n is equal to obj dot next int I have to take. So next and after that integer I factorial is equal to 1. So for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Sir, factorial is equal to factorial into I. So now if factorial percentage 10 is equal to 0 means system dot out dot println of, so f by 10, whatever result you are getting by 10. Else, so system dot out dot println of, sir, f percentage 10. That's all. Let me run the code. Working properly and submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are passed successfully. Okay. Sir, I want to implement Python code. I want to implement Python implementation. So let me go with Python implementation. So I'm taking Python. N is equal to, sir, int of input. I think we have factorial method is there, right? Import math. So I want to store f is equal to math dot, so factorial of n I am taking. Math dot factorial of n I am taking. Sir, if f percentage 10 is equal to 0, then print, so f by 10, no, f double slash 10 percentage 10. So else what we have to print? Sir, you need to print f percentage 10. That's all. Let us run the code. Is it working or not? Yes. And submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are clear. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Python. Please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts? Right, sir. So let me go for next program. What is the program? 261. Speed maths. What is the program title, sir? Speed maths. So Jack was in 9th standard. So he appeared for a speed maths competitive exam. Jack is taking longer time to solve one of the problem. Sir, count the number of ones in the binary representation of an integer. Okay, it is easy. Just we have to count how many ones are there in its binary representation. Help him to solve the below problem and write code for the same. So they are going to give you a number, sir. You have to find out how many ones are there in that number once if you convert it into binary. Sir, please confirm, is the logic is clear for you people? Is the logic is clear for you people? So if you take 5, sir, 5. So what is a binary equivalent? So 8421, two digits are there. Yes. If you take 8421, so one, only one digit is there. Like this we have to do. Let us implement this program directly in C language. So integer n, okay, and then digit must be required, count must be required. So first I am going to read the number from the user, okay, then count is equal to initially 0. Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0, how to get a digit? N percentage 2. Sir, don't divide with 10, because we are doing decimal numbers, binary numbers, that's why. So if your d is equal to 1, then count plus plus, else n is equal to, again don't take n by 10, we have to take n by 2. So finally I am printing the value of count, sir. That's all. Let us run the code. Perfectly it is working, and submit the code. So you can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied, sir. Okay, sir, I want to implement this same program in Java, sir. Let me go for Java implementation. How we can implement in Java? So I'm taking scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of within bracket system dot in, then integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. So factorial is equal, sorry, not factorial, count is equal to 0, and we required a digit also. So while the value of n is not equal to 0, digit is equal to n percentage 2. If your digit is equal to 1, count is equal to count plus 1. So then n is equal to n by 2. So finally system dot out dot println of, we have to print C. Let us run the code. Yes, and submit the code. This is nothing but what we have. Now let me go for Python implementation. I want to implement this program in Python, sir. Sir, same thing you can take, or else you can go with some approach also. Okay, so we have another approach is there. What is that approach? Is nothing but n is equal to int of input. You can convert that into binary. Okay, sir, in that binary, sir, you can print how many ones are there. That's all. Perfectly working, and submit the code. So this is nothing but what we have, sir. Please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts, friends? Please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts, friends? Okay. No, count of one only. No, count of one only in string, because BAN function will return the data in the form of string, not in the form of integer. Srinivas. Yeah, sir, that's all about today's session. Sir, tomorrow we will have a session same at 8 o'clock. Okay. So tomorrow we will have a session same at 8 o'clock. Login same times. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.